Alright, so welcome back students to standard 10 maths chapter 6 triangles, and we are into the 11th session now, right? Okay, well, in the last session we solved some illustrations and we reached up to 7, and now we are going to continue solving the illustrations and then the exercise. Okay, now we shall solve illustration 8, that is example 8. Alright, now before we read the statement, I would like you to recall one term associated with triangle. That term is called median. Do you know what is median? Alright, here is one triangle X, Y, Z. Here is one triangle X, Y, Z. Choose any vertex. Let's choose X. So X is a vertex. What is the side opposite to that? YZ. Choose its midpoint. Say suppose M is the midpoint of YZ. Then join the vertex X with M. This blue line segment is called median of triangle ABC. Sorry, median of triangle XYZ. Alright. Now, median XM is drawn from vertex X. We know there are two more vertices. If you consider Y, then the side opposite to that is XZ. Choose its midpoint. Let's say N. So, NX is equal to NZ. Now, if you join Y with N, the red segment is also called median of triangle XYZ. And if you take the third vertex, alright, let's say ZL, and here L is the midpoint of side XY. So every triangle has three medians. Alright, so this word you will find in this statement. I hope you know exactly what is median. Median of triangle is a line segment joining any vertex of a triangle with the midpoint of side opposite to that vertex. Clear? Alright. Now see the statement of illustration 8. Okay? Fine. In figure given below, yes, the figure is given below. What you will find? ABC triangle, PQR triangle, and you can see one line segment. Let's read and see. CM and RN. CM, that line segment, and RN are respectively the medians of triangle ABC and triangle PQR. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, the two triangles are similar, ये दो triangles similar है, then prove that one triangle AMC is similar to triangle PNR, and second CM upon RN is equal to AB upon PQ. Well, let's check. पहले इसको देखते हैं. इसको triangle AMC black कर दिया. Where are those 3 points? Find out. A, M, and C. So I'll make it black. Right? This black triangle is similar to red triangle. P and R. P is here, N is here, and R is here. Let us make it red. Children, this color, what I am using, is just for your understanding, children. In the examination, you don't have to do all this, okay? Chaliye, you have to prove black triangle is similar to red triangle. And you know, to prove two similar triangles, what you need? Yes, any one of the three conditions to be satisfied. AA, no need of AAA. Oh, it's okay. Then SAS and SSS. Alright. And next, we have to prove CM upon RN is equal to AB upon PQ. CM, this black side, upon Rn. is equal to AB this upon PQ. Children, if you succeed to prove this black triangle is similar to red triangle, then you will get one ratio CM upon RN from the correspondence. वो तो मिलेगा, but what you will get AC upon PI ऐसा मिलेगा. CM upon RN is equal to AC upon PR is equal to AM upon NP. But हमें प्रूव करना है CM upon RN is equal to AB upon PQ. हो जाएगा. We'll see. Okay. Now please, all the given conditions we have to exploit nicely. What is first thing given? CM and RN are medians of triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Alright, data. Children, I am not writing data because I am not having enough space. But I will just say data. I will just say ... CM and RN are respectively the medians of triangle ABC and triangle PQR. That is given. What I have underlined in blue. Now what I underlined in green is also given. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, that is also given. So data में दो चीज है. Alright? Fine. To prove, yes, I'll keep it here. To prove one this and second this. Is that clear to you? Okay? Fine. Now, proof. As I said, I'll have to exploit the conditions. So, CM and RN are respectively the medians of triangle. So, I'm writing that. CM and RN are respectively the medians of triangle ABC and triangle PQR. I'm writing in short. Alright? Please, when you write in your notebook, write in detail. Therefore, this is the bag. What is inside the bag? ये आपका box है, bag है. वो box में, bag में क्या है? Well, if you say CM is median of triangle ABC. Yes, CM is median. So you can say AM equal to BM. बोलिए. AM equal to, see I made the symbol showing CM is the median. So AM equal to BM equal to half of AB. Call it result number 1 by result of median. Median से मिलने वाला result. Is that clear? And okay, I'll call this both because I have both in the statement. CM is median of this and RN is median of triangle PQR. Therefore, बोलिए ये भी RN is median of triangle PQR. So PN is equal to QN is equal to half of PQ. Alright? Got it? Okay. This combinedly, I am going to call it result 1. And by definition of midpoint. Sorry, median. By definition of median. Or you can say by result of median. So one condition is exploited. एक condition जो दिया है उससे हमें ये result मिला. बराबर देखो. Now the next statement is in green. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle. Yeah, here you have to write by data. उसी तरह triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This is also by data. So two things we will have, children. Angle A equal to angle B. Angle B equal to angle Q. Angle C equal to angle R. Let's call it 2. And AB upon PQ. AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. AC upon PR. This is result 3. Ye 2, ye result 3. Okay. This is the result number 2 and this is the result number 3. Right? Again, by definition. By definition of similarity. Okay. Children, did you understand? Now you have to watch. what we have to prove? Look, a black triangle और रेड ट्राइंगल में ये सिंबल अलग है. This AM, somewhere you will find AM children. ये AM कहीं पे मिलेगा. It has relation with BM as well as AB. तो उसका रिलेशन AB से है. उसका रिलेशन AB से है. Alright. उसी तरह ये PN जो रेड साइड है रेड ट्राइंगल का, it has some relation with PQ because you are having that AB and PQ here. Can you see that? AB and PQ, AB upon PQ. So in this triangle, the other side involved is AC and PR. Black में AC involved है और red में PR involved है. तो here AC upon PR. So result 3 में से आप ये use कर सकते हैं. For AB, what you can write after that? उसके बाद AB के लिए क्या लिख सकेंगे आप? AM equal to half of AB. So AB is equal to 2 times AM. Are you getting me, please? Are you getting me? If AM is equal to half of AB, then you can say AB 2 will alter this side. 2 यहाँ आ जाएगा. 2 times AM is equal to AB. Same way, PN is equal to half of PQ. Then PQ is equal to 2 times PN. Keep that in mind. Please keep that in mind. So, okay. By 3 it follows that. By 3 it follows that. Follows that. अभी हमें ये रिजल्ट में से जो जरूरत है वही लिख रहे हैं हम. AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR. Alright? Now what is AB? 2 times AM. 2 times AM. Because it is a black side. Yes, black triangle की side है. And what is PQ? PN is half of PQ. So what is PQ? 2 times PN. And that is equal to AC upon PR. 2 to cancel. Here children, AM upon PN is equal to AC upon PR. So black triangle और red triangle में 2 sides are in proportion. अब ये एंगल उनके included angles है. They are the included angles and they are equal. कहीं पे है. Here it is. Angle A is equal to angle P by result 2. Alright. Please. IE in triangle and triangle. कौन सा triangle? Black. AMC. And कौन सा triangle? Red. कौन सा है? PNR. Triangle PNR. The first thing you got is this. AM and AC. ऊपर. AM और AC दो साइड. नीचे. ये साइड PN और PR. Alright? Okay. You may call this 4. Okay. By 3. Sorry, by 4. Alright. And children, black angle A is equal to red angle P. Right? By, from where? This angle by 2. By 2. Children, side angle side. Condition satisfy हो गया. Therefore, a correspondence dash corresponds to dash 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 is a similarity by SAS. Got it children? By SAS. अब ब्लैक का मैं लिख दूं AMC. यहां हमें प्रिविलेज है, जो भी लिखना है लिख सकते हैं. AMC corresponds to what? Now कोई एंगल है? Yes. A corresponds to P. A is in the first order, so P has to be in the first order. अब A corresponds to P. That is definite. वो चौकस है. तो M corresponds to M. M is in the middle, so N is in the middle. Now P, N, or fill in the blank with the third vertex R. Correct? So you got it. Triangle. Therefore, triangle AMC is similar to triangle PNR. Triangle PNR. Proved. And this is 1. Proved 1. Proved 1. Now हमें prove करना है second भी. Hey children, ये similarity है, so you get this ratio, this similarity. You can see CM here upon RN. Alright? Okay. CM upon RN. I'll remove this part now. Please. I'll remove this part. Therefore, CM upon RN is equal to AC upon PR. AC upon PR. But we have to prove CM upon RN is equal to AB upon PQ. अरे ये AC upon PR यहाँ फिर से काम आ रहा है. What is AC upon PR? AB upon PQ. Therefore, CM upon RN is equal to AB upon PQ. AB upon PQ by 3. Result number 3. And this is proved second. Right? And here, okay, this continues. Therefore, so this continues. Alright? So here, result 1 is proved and result 2 is also proved. I hope you understood it well. Okay? So we move on to exercise 6.3. Question number 2. One we have already solved in the previous session. If you remember, there were 6 pairs of triangles which we determined whether they are similar or not. Okay? Now this is simple 1 mark question actually. Okay? But see, find angle DOC, DCO and OAB. Any one can be asked for 1 mark. Okay? Now see. Where is angle DOC? पहले observe कर लो. DOC. I'm going to call it X. Children, can you see this? This is vertically opposite angle. So that is also going to be X. चलिए. DCO. DCO. This is Y. This is Y. Alright? OAB. OAB. This is Z. This is Z. You might say they are alternate angles, but the lines are not parallel. ऐसा कुछ दिया नहीं है. Please pay attention. In the figure below, triangle ODC. ODC. That means this black triangle. Alright? Is similar to triangle OBC. Sorry, OBA. OBA. This triangle. Black triangle is similar to blue triangle. That is given. Look. Triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA. So हमें result क्या मिलता है? Angle O equal to angle O. Angle D equal to angle B. Angle C equal to angle A. ये black रहेगा. All this will be black. O, D और C angle. Alright? Black angle O मतलब ये वाला. That will be blue angle O. वो तो vertically opposite angle पता ही है. Then angle D, ये वाला angle D. Black angle D will be blue angle B. Yeah. Here this can be utilized. If this is 70, this is also going to be 70. There will be 70 each. Alright? We have to find, okay, this and this forms a linear pair. Are you getting me? Yeah, this and this. Ray OC stands on line BOD. So, X plus 125 is equal to 180. Linear pair. Linear pair of angles. Are you getting me, children? Okay? Since it is 1 or 2 marks, we are not writing in detail. Only 1 mark question will be asked. Alright. So therefore, X is equal to 180 minus 125. So X is equal to 55. So at least you got X. This DOC x. You got that? Now pay attention. In this triangle, in triangle COD, 70 plus x plus y is equal to 180. Total measure of three angles of triangle is 180. Now x we came to know. So 70 plus 55 plus y is equal to 180. The total 125 plus y is equal to 180. Correct? Therefore, y is equal to again 55. Y is also 55. X is 55 and y is 55. Okay. This also you got 55. This also you got 55. Now you have to find out z. Now this is 55. So this vertically opposite 55. ये दो का total 125. 180 में से minus करो. So that is 55. So z is also 55. So you got z, you got y and you got x. Please, you write nicely. Alright? If it is one mark question, you have to just find it out. Alright? Got it? Now we move to question 3. So here is the third question from exercise 6.3. Let's read. Diagonals AC and BD, not BC but BD, of trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at O. Very clear. Here is trapezium ABCD. Do you know what is trapezium? Yes. One pair of opposite side parallel. And which pair is parallel? AB and DC. Which is the diagonal? AC. The other diagonal? BD. Intersect each other at O. Then show that OA upon OC is equal to OB upon OD. You have to show that two ratios are equal. आपको कब इक्वल रेशियोज मिल सकता है? एक तो सिमिलैरिटी ऑफ टू ट्रायंगल्स में मिल सकता है, एक थ्योरम 6.1 और उसके रिलेटेड रिजल्ट से मिल सकता है. ऑलराइट, यहां जो रेशियो है उसके ऊपर के पार्ट्स देखो, OA और OB, और फिगर में देखो OA और OB. यस, ये तो ग्रीन ट्राइंगल हो गया. करेक्ट? And then you see down OC and OD. This is OC and this is OD and this. Correct? Alright. I'll remove this red part. So if you show that green triangle is similar to blue triangle, yeah, blue triangle is similar, then this equal ratios will be produced from it. Alright. Now how to prove? Yes. The shortest and sweetest method is AA criterion. तो यहां कोई एंगल इक्वल है? अभी तो कुछ नहीं दिया. हाँ, vertically opposite angle. One pair of angle is equal. One pair of angle is equal. Any more pair of angles? Yes. What is this, children? I am drawing serpentine line. Serpentine line. जैसे serpent. Serpentine line means serpent. Serpent means snake. Serpent means snake. तो snake ऐसे ऐसे जाता है. And this is what? Another serpentine line. That is transversal. तो दो serpentine line के बीच का एंगल. These are alternate pairs. So blue angle DCO is equal to green angle BAO. And another pair, angle COD blue is equal to angle AOB blue, vertically opposite. So by AA criterion, triangle blue is similar to triangle green. या green is similar to, ऊपर green part है तो left side पे green लिखेंगे. Is that clear? Okay. I'm just picking out data and to prove. Data. In trapezium ABCD, AB is parallel to CD, full stop. Diagonals AC and BD intersect at O. To prove, OA upon OC is equal to OB upon OD. Now I'll start the proof. Please. These angles are alternate pairs. उसके लिए मैं पहला लिख दूं. Right? AB is parallel to CD. by data, and AC is their transversal. AC is their transversal. Therefore, blue angle D, okay, green पहले लिखना चाहेंगे, BAC पूरा लिखना पड़ेगा. Angle BAC is equal to blue angle DCA पूरा लिखना पड़ेगा. AC angle DCA. What is that? Alternate angles. You may write alternate angles. IE instead of BAC, BAO, angle BAO, and instead of DCA, I'm writing DCO, angle DCO. I'm going to call it result 1 because A dash O dash C, because of this betweenness. Both the angles are one and the same. Alright? So you got this angle congruent, equal, and these angles are already equal. So I'm writing in triangle green, we can call it ABO, and triangle B, CDO, triangle CDO. Yes, this green angle is equal to this. Angle BAO is equal and angle AOB is equal. Bolo, angle BAO is equal to angle DCO by 1 say, and angle AOB is equal to angle COD. Why? Vertically opposite angles. You may write that. Fine. So AA is satisfied. Two corresponding angles are equal. Therefore, a correspondence dash corresponds to dash 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 is a similarity by AA criterion. Alright? अच्छा, लेफ्ट साइड पे हमें ग्रीन लिखना है, तो ग्रीन का क्या लिखूं? ABO. लेट मी राइट ABO. अच्छा, ब्लू का क्या लिखोगे? देखकर लिखो. A corresponds to C. A in the beginning, C in the beginning. O corresponds to O. O last. ये fill in the blanks के लिए कौन सा ब्लू ट्रायंगल है? COD. C और O आ गया, बच गया D. That is fill in the blank with D. Yes, now you can take green. OA upon. आप OA लोगे तो यहां से आएगा OC is equal to, हमें चाहिए OB, ये ले लो OB, यहां से OB लिया तो यहां से आएगा OD. Proved. Correct? By definition of similarity. Understood? So very simple, children. Very simple. This was number 3. Now we move on to number 4. Alright? Fine? So the next one, number 4. In figure below, QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PR. Children, two ratios, two corresponding sides are in proportion. So you can think of SAS if included angles are equal. And angle 1 is equal to angle 2. We'll see that in the figure. Here, angle 1 means you can say PQS. Angle 2, PRQ. You can give different names also. PQS, PQR, PQS, PQR. That is number 1. Anyway, show that triangle PQS is similar to triangle PQR. Children, triangle PQS कहाँ है? P, Q और S. Let me make it black. Alright? Let me make it black triangle. This black triangle is similar to red triangle TQR. Where is T? here, Q here, and R here. So TQ, I'll make red. Yes. QR red, and QT also red. So you can see triangle TQR, which is red, triangle PQS, which is black. You have to show these two triangles are similar. The target is in front of you. When are these two triangles similar? SAS or SSS. Let's see. These two equal ratios are given. Let's check. Which part? Black and red. Black and red. QR. देख लीजिए, where is QR? QR. Children, red. I'll make it red. QR को red कर देता हूं. फिर ऊपर QT. QT. That is also red side. Correct? Then QS. QS. That is black side. And PR. PR here. Sorry. PR is not a black side. Triangle PQS का PR black side नहीं है. PR तो कुछ अलग ही कलर का है. So though two ratios are equal, we need, हमें ये इसकी वजह से green part, see black triangle के ही sides होने चाहिए नीचे. ऊपर रेड के, ऊपर तो रेड के हैं पर नीचे ब्लैक का एक ही है और दूसरा तो कुछ अलग ही. ट्राइंगल PQS का नहीं है, ये ट्राइंगल PQS का साइड नहीं है, ये PR. तो हमें क्या चाहिए? हमें चाहिए PQ. जो ब्लैक साइड PQ है वो चाहिए. चिल्ड्रन, 9th स्टैंडर्ड का रिजल्ट एक याद करो. इन अ ट्राइंगल इफ टू एंगल्स आर इक्वल, यदि दो एंगल इक्वल हुए तो इसके सामने वाली साइड और इसके सामने वाली साइड दे आर ऑल्सो इक्वल. इन ट्राइंगल इफ दिस एंगल इज इक्वल टू दिस एंगल, ये एंगल के सामने वाली साइड ये एंगल के सामने, दिस टू साइड्स आल्सो वुड बी इक्वल. तो आप देख लो चिल्ड्रन, देख लो ट्राइंगल PQR में एंगल 2 और एंगल 1 दे आर इक्वल. इसके सामने PR, 2 के सामने QR. सो PR इज इक्वल टू QR. तो ये PR की जगह पे QR लिख सकते हैं और हमारा काम बन गया. In place of PR we can write PQ. I'm sorry. In place of PR we can write PQ. So our work is done. Two corresponding sides are in proportion. And included angle, we'll see that later. Included angle. All right. चलिए. So how do we start? Data and to prove you can write down, children. I'll straight away start the proof. First, I'll start with angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2 by data. Data से मिला. Here. Therefore, angle 1 के सामने PR is equal to 2 के सामने PQ. Call it result number 1 by theorem, of course, of standard 9. Now you take that other condition. Now QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PR. ये PR की जगह पे हम क्या लिखेंगे? PQ. Okay, let me use those colors once again. All right. ऊपर के दोनों पार्ट रेड है. QR, therefore QR और QT अपॉन नीचे ब्लैक लिखना चाहिए हमें, राइट. सो QS वो तो है और इंस्टेड ऑफ PR आई एम गोइंग टू राइट PQ. करेक्ट. दिस वी कैन कॉल इट रिजल्ट 2 by 1. In place of PR we wrote PQ. Now if you see QR and QT, QR, QT, they are the sides of right triangle. And QS and QP, they are the sides of black triangle. And PQ और PS के बीच angle PQS. QT और QR के बीच एंगल TQR, they are one in the same, one in the same. And ओके बोलो एंगल रेड लिखेंगे पहले, रेड मतलब TQR, एंगल TQR इज इक्वल टू ब्लैक एंगल PQS, एंगल PQS. What you can write? Q dash P dash T and Q dash S dash R. That you may write, or you may write common angles. Common angles. Finished. Call this as result 3. Finished. Corresponding sides are in the same proportion and included angles are equal. Therefore, अच्छा, by 2 and 3, by 2 and 3, it follows that, बोलिए, a correspondence, yes, dash corresponds to dash 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 is a similarity by SAS theorem. All right, अभी रेड का पार्ट में लिख दूं, ओके ब्लैक का लिख दूं. चिल्ड्रन आई एम राइटिंग ब्लैक, ये बाजू ब्लैक है ना, सो आई एम राइटिंग ब्लैक दिस साइड. प्लीज बी केयरफुल, ब्लैक का लिख रहा हूं PQS. नाउ देखो Q corresponds to Q, ब्लैक Q corresponds to Q, ये Q मिडल में है, सो यहां भी मिडल में. Q corresponds to Q, ब्लैक Q corresponds to Q, वो हो गया. So P corresponds to T. P is T, so first should be T, and then fill in the blank. Therefore, triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. Proved. Got it, children? I hope you all are understanding. Sure? Good. So children, now we move on to the 5th question of exercise 6.3. Let's see the statement and find out what we have to show or prove. S and T are points on the sides PR and QR of triangle PQR such that angle P equal to angle RTS. Show that triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. Like the previous sum, number 4. Here it's very clear. The two triangles that we have to show similar are given. Okay, so that's not a big deal then. Okay, let's see now. S and T are points on side. S is a point on PR and T is a point on QR. Okay, S is a point on PR. PR पे कहीं पे S point है और T is a point on QR somewhere. Here T is a point such that angle P, कौन सा है angle P? This blue angle P is equal to angle RTS, red angle RTS. So this angle is equal to this angle. Angle P means angle QPR is equal to angle RTS. Yeah, you can consider this as red triangle. And of course, this blue triangle. Alright? और वही है RPQ. That is blue triangle. RPQ is blue triangle. And RTS, that is red triangle. You have to show that blue triangle is similar to red triangle. One corresponding angle is already congruent. This is blue angle P and this is red angle T. One is already equal. One pair of corresponding angle is already equal. We need one more. Can you tell me which blue and red angles are equal? Yes, TRS. The red one is equal to QRP The blue one, common angle. Why common? Q dash T dash R and P dash S dash R. Okay. So by AA corollary, these two triangles are similar. Now let's write down. But as usual, data and to prove I am not going to write, but I will state it. Data. S and T are points on sides PR and QR of triangle PQR. और उसके नीचे angle P is equal to angle RTS. To prove triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. The blue one and the red one. Alright. Proof. Blue triangle QPS. I can write in short if I want as given. Angle P is equal to red one RTS. Angle RTS. This is by, okay, I'm going to call it 1 by data. This is given in the data. And the common angle, blue angle, Q, or you may say PRQ. Angle PRQ is equal to which red angle? SRT. Angle SRT. Result to common angle. Common angle. Finished. AA is satisfied. Therefore, by 1 and 2, it follows that a correspondence, this is correspondence, dash corresponds to dash, 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 is a similarity by AA criterion. चलिए ये ब्लू का जो चाहिए उसी ऑर्डर में लिखता हूं. See, this time I'm not writing PQR. I'm going to write RPQ. RPQ because that is wanted. Alright. Now, corresponding angles. बोलो. P corresponds to T. ये सेंटर में. ये P को पूरा आप लिखना चाहते हो तो QPR लिखना पड़ेगा. P corresponds to T. P बीच में, T बीच में. R corresponds to R. R is first, RT और बच गया S. Therefore, बोलिए अब ट्राइंगल का सिंबल लगा दीजिए. ट्राइंगल RPQ, सिमिलैरिटी का सिंबल ट्राइंगल RTS. Proved. Correct? Did you understand? Okay. So here we finished first 5. Actually, in previous session we did 1. And from question number 2 to 5 we have solved. Alright? We'll go for the next solution as well. And that is number 6. Alright then, let's see. Example 6 of exercise 6.3. Now what is the statement? In figure below. Yes, the figure is given to you. If triangle ABE is congruent. Children, what you learned in 9th standard. The first video. Alright. We did revision about congruency of triangle. Congruent. So since these two triangles are congruent, you have angle A equal to angle A, angle B equal to angle C, and angle E equal to angle D. And AB is equal to AC. BE is equal to CD. And AE equal to AD. They are equal. Corresponding sides as well as corresponding angles are equal. Alright, ये data में है. बस, two triangles are equal. Let me make this black as it is. A, B, and E. This. So this black triangle ABE is congruent to red triangle ACD. Let's put red for that. A, C, and D. This. Pura. and this. So red triangle and black triangle are congruent. So what you are going to get from there? Black. Yeah, black angle A, black angle B, black angle E is equal to, you can put congruent or equal to. From there corresponding A to angle A, angle B equal to angle C, and angle E equal to angle D. And more, AB is equal to AC, BE is equal to CD, and AE is equal to AD. AE equal to AD, BE equal to CD, and AB equal to AC. Here result 1, here result 2. Alright, let me say this is result 1 and this is result 2. This is what we get from this data. ये हमारे पास बैग है और उस बैग से हमें ये दो चीज मिलती है. This is what we have. This is our bag, and in that bag we get this too. We'll utilize that. We'll exploit that condition nicely. Chaliye. What we have to prove? Triangle ADE. Where is ADE? Oh, it is this triangle. ADE. Green one, वो तो कुछ अलग ही. Neither black nor red. It is something different. And triangle ABC. वो भी अलग, उसको भी कर दो ब्लू. A B C. ठीक है. So green triangle ADE is similar. Similar prove करना है. Similar prove करना है. Is similar to blue triangle ABC. Hey children, when are the two triangles similar? हमारे पास वो तीन कंडीशन है. AA, not AAA, we won't use that. SAS and SSS. तो ये आप देख सकते हैं. What? ग्रीन ट्राइंगल और ब्लू ट्राइंगल के बीच एक एंगल कॉमन है. ग्रीन एंगल DAE is equal to blue angle BAE. तो यदि AD upon AB is equal to AE upon AC आ गया तो ग्रीन ट्राइंगल बाय SS आपको मिल सकता है. क्या मिल सकता है कि देखते हैं कौन सा इन्वॉल्व है. AD और AE. ये रहा AD और AE. फिर AB और AC. वाव, ये रहा. यू कैन यूज दैट. यहां से हम ऑलराइट इसको तो कॉमन एंगल ले लेंगे. इसकी जरूरत नहीं है. यू कैन यूज दिस टू. हाउ? AB upon AC is equal to 1. AE upon AD is equal to 1. So they are equal. Alright. Or you can take Euclid's property, children. Euclid's property. चलो इसको रिजल्ट 1 बोल दो, इसको रिजल्ट 2 बोल दो. चलो ये जाने दो. Right? So AD upon AC is equal to AE upon AB. Can you say that? Either you say like this or this. Alright. Got it? And angle A is equal to angle A. This is green angle, this is blue angle. Green and blue. Finished. Got it? Alright. As I start the proof, I won't be writing data and to prove. I'll just say what is data. Only one thing, triangle AB is congruent to triangle ACD. And to prove, just one thing, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Alright, simple. Let's start with the proof. Green triangle and this is blue triangle. Okay. यहां से लेना है ना. This data को पहले पिकअप करेंगे. We'll exploit that. Triangle ABE. Is it ABE? Yes. Is congruent to triangle ACD. This is by data. Therefore, we'll pick up this first. Alright? AE, it's black. AE is equal to AE is equal to AD. AE is equal to AD. Correct? AE and AD both are the parts of green triangle only. Correct? Let's call this result 1. And बोलिए AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AB is equal to AC. Result 2. By 1 and 2. Alright. I'll remove this. By 1 and 2, it follows that. Children, this AE upon AB is equal to ratio of left hand side is equal to ratio of right hand side. लेकिन जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे है AE वो ग्रीन ट्राइंगल का है, अपॉन AB वो ब्लू ट्राइंगल का है, इज इक्वल टू AD वो ग्रीन ट्राइंगल का है, अपॉन AC वो ब्लू ट्राइंगल का है. रिजल्ट 3. करेक्ट? सिंपल. द रेशियो ऑफ लेफ्ट हैंड साइड AE upon AB is equal to the ratio of right hand side AD upon AC. And children, that green angle DAE and angle DAE is equal to angle BAC. Angle BAC. Result 4. Why? Yeah, it's common angle. Common angle. Alright? By 3 and 4. Yes, finished. By 3 and 4, it follows that a correspondence, well, I'll write this correspondence dash 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 is a similarity by SAS theorem. Correct? On left hand side, well, that green one, okay, ADE you want, so I'll write ADE. Okay, any angle? Yes, A corresponds to A, so A will be in the first order. वो final हो गया, A corresponds to A, so E corresponds to B, the last, B, and what is left? C. A corresponds to A. We are getting that, right? So if A corresponds to A, E corresponds to B, E is last, so B has to be last. Alright? And then we get C, fill in the blank. Therefore, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ACB. Children, it is not matching with this. But I told you, once you get the symbol of triangle, you can change. यहाँ change नहीं करेंगे. Triangle ADE is similar to triangles. After symbol, you can change ABC. And this is proved. Got it?